should have.
We should have. We should have. We already blessed. I woke up blessed.
Oh, period.
A few moments later.
Tuned in libations with Legion. 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 We finna turn it up with Legion. Finna turn it up with Legion. Yeah, say tuned in libations with Legion. Tuned in libations with Legion. Yeah. Yo, it is Legion, and I am the Legion of Legion Customs and Rare Radar, and we are here with the first segment of Libations with Legion. Alright, so co-hosting with me tonight is my dope-ass best friend, Janae of Lash Mile.
Hey! What's up, y'all? I'm so excited to be here. I want to thank Legion Customs and, of course, Rare Radar for having me tonight. I can't wait to see what these drinks gonna be talking about, because y'all know I love me a bomb-ass drink. So, let's hear it.
So, I was getting a lot of questions on Instagram, like, what is libations? What is libations? And the internet and technology is so powerful that sometimes we just have to use it. And so, libations is a drink, y'all. So, it's just drinks with Legion. So, tonight, we're gonna be fucking making drinks, curating vibes, and, you know, getting this shit going.
Hell
all right?
Yeah.
And with that being said,
it's shot o'clock.
It's shot o'clock.
It's shot o'clock.
The drink of the night is a pomegranate tequila mockingbird. Alright, so before we get into it, I actually want to give a shout out to my homeboy Diddy Love. He actually flew me out these bottles personally so that we can have it for our show tonight. I'm like, alright, to make a pomegranate tequila mockingbird, you're gonna first need some De Leon. Okay, I'm just kidding, you don't have to have De Leon, but any tequila, lemonade, a little splash of pomegranate juice, a real pomegranate for the seeds, and that's pretty much it. Like, if you want to add to it, my secret is honey. The honey really give it a different flavor, but you don't have to have honey. So those are your ingredients for the pomegranate tequila mockingbird.
Okay, y'all, so we gonna go ahead and we got the lime juice and the pomegranate juice, and we gonna go ahead and sugar and salt our glasses. So I'm gonna grab mine. Okay. And I'm gonna go ahead.
So a little fun fact about us, my best friend actually likes salt around her rim, and I like sugar around mine.
Period.
I like a lot of salt, like diabetes. Is it diabetes? Which one is it?
Cholesterol. Heart attack?
Yeah, heart attack salt.
Sodium, salt is sodium.
Oh, that's sodium, yeah.
Right.
Yes, you see it.
High blood pressure.
Okay.
Alright, after we salt and sugar our rim, we're going to add some ice. Now that we have added some salt and sugar to our rim and we have our ice in our cup, we're going to go ahead and start making a drink. First, we're going to go ahead and add some ice to our shaker. I feel like a cold drink is always best. Who the fuck drinks hot drinks? So we're going to add some ice to our shaker. We're going to do 2 shots of De Leon. I don't like whack-ass drink, so like 2 shots is what it's gonna do. Make that shit strong as a mother.
Ooh.
We got a whole new bottle, y'all. Nope.
We should have.
We already blessed. I woke up blessed.
Period.
Y'all didn't wake up blessed?
Sure did.
Alright, now that I got my tequila inside, we're gonna go ahead and top it off with some lemonade. Shout out to Calypso. Calypso is the best fucking lemonade on the market right now. I love how they have real lemonade flakes inside of the lemonade. It really adds to the atmosphere of the drink. Calypso.
Okay.
Now you can use any lemonade you want, but Calypso is the best, alright? Alright, the best part. Shake this motherfucker up. Baby needs some shoes. Alright, y'all. Now if I drop this, don't be mad. Now, as you know, this is a pomegranate tequila mockingbird. So we're gonna add some pomegranate seeds to the bottom of the glass, and I want you guys just to peep how they rise to the top as we pour the drink in. That's just adding an atmosphere and a vibe to the whole thing.
What made you want to do pomegranate seeds though?
So I wanted to do something different. Like a lot of people do tequila with a lot of different things, but I can guarantee you a lot of us have not heard a pomegranate tequila drink.
You right, I never heard of that. Yeah. I would have never even ordered that if I was out.
Now, I don't want to move too fast. I do that a lot in my relationships. I move too fast. But we're gonna add some honey. We're gonna add some honey
Let you add it.
to our drinks, and that's just gonna add a whole different atmosphere to the vibe.
Okay,
Okay.
it's giving mixologists.
Okay. The seeds, the
So
seeds.
y'all see how they're perfect, lined up. Let's go. And to end it off, we're gonna do a splash of organic Lakewood pomegranate juice. Just a splash, and like, look how it fuses down into that glass, and it adds a vibe. We're gonna add a little bit more to this one. All right, and there you have it. That is our pomegranate tequila mockingbird. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and cheers to the first segment of Libations with Legion, to more life, more wealth, and good health.
How is it? What is it for? It's good.
It's giving.
Ah!
It's giving. Yours, look. Yours not. Damn, you thirsty? Right, that's the Kool-Aid.
Ooh-wee!
So now, y'all, we're gonna go ahead and get into this surprise that I was telling y'all about earlier. I love it. It's surprise. I know I do lashes, and I do also sell strips, but tonight y'all getting something free.
So, are you giving out different styles, or is it going to be the same style lash?
No, so these are all different styles. Even for the men in the audience, you could take one home for your mom, your girlfriend, your sister, or anything. So just grab a pair. You can actually look at them. You know, you could be picky. I got short, long, medium. So whatever you want to do, just grab a pair. I'm gonna sit them up here, and then y'all can just come and grab.
So, are you giving Oprah vibes? You get a lash. You get a lash. You get a lash.
Yeah, everybody
You
get
a
lashes.
Everybody get a fucking lash. All right, so as we wrap the show up tonight, I want to give a shout out to our live audience. Rare Radar, Legion Customs, Lash Mob. All right, so you can find me at legion.customs on Instagram.
And you can find me at _lashmob_ on Instagram.
So make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe on this video, and stay tuned for our next segment.
Woo!
Go the fuck home. Everybody just go home.